Sorry, Richie. Yeah, so I was saying 4 hour did a nice rejection to that 4 hour daily 4 hour zone at 137.4, and both the 4 hour and the 1 hour close bearish, so only shorts today. At least till 136.850. $850 to $800, I think the level should hold.
Ci fai di passport buone delle car?
So on this, I think either the 15 or the 30-minute resistance should be good enough to take it down, because the bearish momentum is strong. GU also failed to break above the previous zone over here that has been holding, so same thing, still giving me short signal. Yeah, But GU structure is not as clean, so I'm just gonna stay off it and just focus on GJ. EJ is gone, out of the range finally. If anyone wants to trade it, I will only trade it above when it comes back to retest 850 and then go back up. Welcome, welcome, Jean. Jean, if you click the link inside, there's a few information inside for you to have a read. Hey Rod, hello hello. Did you have a good London? Oh, okay. Okay, let me see what I can do. Right, target, give me a while, because I'm not used to seeing other colors on my chart. I would turn off all the colors entirely, but I don't think people will be used to that either. Just let me try to see if I can make something that I am comfortable also. How about if I put it blue and pink? Would you be able to see that? Or like blue and red? Yep, good discipline not to trade off the mobile. That's a really bad habit if you ask me. If you're just executing, it's fine, but if your analysis is going to be off mobile, that's not good. Alright, can you see this now? Is it better? Yeah, you should have let me know, man, yesterday. I thought you were just trolling, that's why I ignored it. Oh, really? Is he still on? Hi. Yeah, I was on his stream for a while. Nah, no gulag here. I think Monty's off. Oh, he is. What did he say? Then so the 15-minute is gonna close in 5 minutes time. If anyone wants to take a shot, right? It tested the 4-hour zone, so have a look at this. 1, 2, right? Bullish candle form, bearish candle close. You should be able to take it down. I'm looking at 800 as my TP. So seeing that it's Friday, I'm not. Earlier I took the trade here, TP here. So now I'm just looking for this retest. So break, retest to come down. Yeah. Hello, Rick. You want neutral colors, you should. Down, orange, red. I think this, Nick, I think this is okay for him already. Or her. I think it's him. Orange, red. Let's see. Orange, red. That's so fierce. Okay, I'll leave it. Am I in trade? No, not yet. Wait for the 15-minute to close. Was the earlier trade taken off the 15? No, it was taken off the 30. I would prefer this area to be tested with a 30-minute support, 30-minute resistance rather than a 15. Right, so choose your battles. Do you want to take the 15 or do you want to take the 30-minute close? The risk is the 15, because it's still early, it might slow down for a bit. The 30 will give a much better confirmation. So choose, you can choose. After the bearish close, will you sell straight away if it's a strong close or a break of the low? So if anyone's taking the 15, this candle must, first criteria, must close lower than its own support, right? So on the 15, it must close below this lowest body here. So I'll wait for it to flip below, then I'll take it. Yeah, but if this candle is going to close like this, then let's just wait for the 30. It's so much better because the candles went big, 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 small, small, small. So we can wait. The 15 is going to be risky. Let me see. Oh, okay. If you send it like that, it's a bit too small. You want to send the links on the chart? See, when I zoom in, I cannot see anything. So send the links. You have the links since you're on Tradingview, and click the camera button on the top right. Predict. Just wanted to know. I went long when the 30-minute close 30-minute close bullish. Oh, like this one. You took this long here. This candle. Ah. Okay. I'm short biased though, so I don't know if you have this zone at 137, 100. Because right now, this candle broke the zone, so that's why I'm looking for a retest to take it down. Yeah, your analysis might be different and your bias might be different. That's why you went long. But to me, right, all I did was the 4-hour close bearish, 1-hour close bearish. So I'm short bias. At least till like 136,800, this area. Yeah, so that was my very simple analysis earlier. I didn't want to overcomplicate the bias because this whole thing is a range. Should we be bothered about the traffic on the left? David this? No. If you're bothered by it, go up. See? 1 hour's a lot cleaner now. This one. So don't worry about it. At least I'm not worried about it. If I wait for a 30-minute close, I'm not worried about the choppiness on the left. Yeah. Let me see. Can I explain the earlier trade? Yes. So Proti is that idea that I've been calling out the entire last 3 days. Right, so I missed a few trades, so I learned my lesson. So if we look at this, 2 candles here, 30-minute resistance form at the 4-hour zone, booms. 30-minute resistance form at 4-hour zone, booms. Again, so I wasn't going to give this up today, booms. Yeah, that was really the idea, but it has to be a 30-minute support or resistance. So in this case, that's why I'm waiting, because I know the 30-minute push is going to be quite a big one. And this here is a almost 30 pip range, so I will wait. Yeah, if you guys are like a bit confused or like worried about ranges, try to go up one time frame. Things start to get a lot clearer, because GJ has been very rangy this week, so we want to just try to be on the higher time frames. Right, let me, before I go to GU, hang on, let me just have a quick look at news first, just in case. If you're already in this idea, yeah, you could just add on, because you should be at break even anyway. So earlier, when I took the trade, right, I was just aiming this area to this area, because it's Friday. So I didn't want it to bounce and then go back in. So I secured. Now I can choose whether I want to enter or not. But the profit's really in the back. That was my view on it, since it's a Friday. And since GJ is messy. Upcoming news. Let's see. Only Canadian news. Double check. Yeah. Seems like it's only the Canadian news that's in the way. So that's about 3 hours. We've got time. I know why you entered the shop, but can you break down the entry point? My entry point was here. This one. So it went up a little bit, and then when it flipped past the body, right, Lloyd, I just entered. So so during this drawdown here, I left the charts. My stop loss was above. So I just left the charts because I knew if we were going to push off a 4-hour zone, right, the retest is deep. And it should not break above the bodies. So I just left it. Because if I were going to sit here, when this thing pulled back, I knew I would be very anxious, so I just walked off the charts. You see, if you look left, see, GJ did the same thing. 30-minute support resistance, right? Pulled back so deep. And then again on the previous one. See, this one, same thing. 30-minute resistance, look at the pullback. It goes almost to the bodies. So just walk away. Yeah. Oops. You're looking at it too, but you were a bit risky for you to take entry. Oh, 30 minutes is strong enough to me. I think some people were waiting for the pullback to test the zone. So this was it. I think this wicks usually. There's that retest of that area. Yesterday slapped you when you shot it. Where did you shot it yesterday? Depends. You shot it at the bottom here. This one. This one. Yeah. And this might have slapped you. But this one didn't even push down, you see. So if you had waited, then you might not have entered. Unless you entered on this one. Yeah, but that... Oh, okay, yeah. This area, right? This area? This area was just a shitty time. Quick. Ooh, look at the 30. Yeah, so just avoid that time. Have you always, since you started, only traded a few pairs, mastering these with the same trading style? Well, no. So when I first started, like 7 years ago, right, I was dabbling in GJ, AJ, yeah, dollar, yen, and EU. So that was what I started with. Then I expanded to 21 pairs, and then I still came back to GJ. After 7 years, I came back to GJ. I dropped the rest. I came back to GJ. Trading style, I think I fine-tuned it, dropped a lot of the other rubbish, and now I have nothing on my charts except this. Support and resistances, and just a understanding of candles, I think. Yeah, I just dropped all my indicators and other stuff. Am I going to leave any for 136.6? No, because today my game plan is just close at zone, wait for retest, go down again. Because if you notice, right, they're all 4 hours. So the 4 hours usually does break and do some kind of retest. So no, I'm gonna grab it and keep it first, and then I'll re-enter. Why did I drop all the other indicators and focus on... I focus on price action. Because indicators are lagging, that's number one. Like to me, those indicators that I use, they were just lagging. So I just dropped the rest. Will GU do the same setup? Yes, possibly. So you'd be looking for it to come down to at least around 29, 129. Yeah. But the only thing I don't like about GU is it's not as clean. Because if you look at GU now, it's this consolidation area to clear. But for GJ, it's already clear of this area here. So that's why I would go with GJ over GU. Yeah, this is gonna close nice. The only problem I have with it is risk reward. Because this is going to be about like 15-16 pip stop loss, and then even if I take it to the bottom of this is 22, might be able to, because the 1 hour is clean all the way till this area here. So like say 16-17 pip for 22. Yeah, so we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't close too big. So that's another reason why I also want to close at the zone, because my RR is not 1.5. So I want to grab it and go. Usually I like 1.5. Yeah, I see 600 as well. So I think this candle, if it closes bearish, it's gonna pull back deep again, because this is a 4-hour zone, same as this one. So for those entering, I would let it pull back first and then get in on the entry, but it might go back again, so just be aware of that. Impulse entry, I don't think you need an impulse entry. There's a 30-minute close about to happen. Unless you wanna, yeah, it's about to close in 1 minute. FO. This one here. So if I take this shot, right, I'll be aiming for the bottom here. So that's just nice, like 1.2 R for me. So around 700. Yeah, so I'm going to let it pull back first. When it flips, then I'll enter. If it flips. 200 EMA on the 30s, like golden flip. Ooh. Let me see. Shoots, what's this? Let's just put them all on. Da, da, da. Oh. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I'm not in yet, yeah. I'm just waiting for it to come down. EMA. Ah, this one. I wonder if you can use this. Okay, shall not play with it. Yeah, Guns, give me a while. Cause I'm waiting to enter this. No bottom wick on the current candle yet. Yeah, because we want it to go up first, get liquidity, then come down. So I'm not in yet. When it breaks this body, then I'll be in. Oh, our cats! I'm drinking peppermint. Yeah, I cannot drink caffeinated tea now. I'll be bouncing. Right. Okay, I'm in. Is the TP 36 or the 700 range? So since this is so big, right? I'll be aiming the clean candle on the left. Because anyway, this is a zone, right? So 800 is a zone. So I'll be aiming for this area. So it's about 730 if you want to be safe. So my entry. Yep. Yep, this is my okay, goodness, let me see the chart. This candle from 137. I want it to see resistance form for sell at 137. Let's see. Ah, okay. I think because we have our zones at different places. How come your... Is this green zone like a... I think that's 137. Yeah. It's the same idea ideally. It's just a break and retest of the idea to come down lower. So yeah. Let's look at gold. Always bullish yellow arrow shows 4 hour coming to retest. 200 is green, right? Blue arrow shows it's going to fill the wick too if it breaks 200. EMA bullish rejects. Ooh, yeah, interesting. Do I close percentage at 10 pips? No, I don't. Yellow is 50. Ah, okay. It's 1920. Let's see. 1920. Yeah, I have a zone at 1917. Breaks above that should be going up. Same idea. Okay, be right back. Hey guys. Hey Mario, Tony. Been watching over the last few months with GJ. When a candle fails to create a lower wick in this case, in the first few minutes of the candle open on a setup like that, doesn't that give you a good opportunity to get a much cleaner entry in terms of R? I understand that the safer option is to wait for the candle to flip like you say. However, if there is a clean setup, a candle in the first minute fails to create a wick, is that a good sign in your opinion to get a better entry? I'm a bit confused. I think, Will, the idea is, like, the idea for me about the flip, right? So because this candle is still open technically, so you can't really get a lot of information from this candle other than the fact that you want it to go up, grab liquidity. So that's what the wick is. So when it grabs liquidity, it will then have the juice to come down, break below the body. So when it breaks below the body, right, that's like a second confirmation to me. Yeah. So it's not really, I know what you're trying to say, like you want to get it on the pullback so that your stop loss will be smaller, but to me, right, I would rather have a larger stop but more confirmations so that my trade can just go in my direction almost pain-free. Because if you were to catch it while it's rising, right, technically you'll be in pain for a little bit. Yeah, if my understanding of your question is correct. I just want to be pain-free the moment I enter. $136. No, for exit will be 136, 730. Yeah, so I understand the zone is in the way, but because this one, right, the 4 hour is not super clean, so this entire area is just one big zone to me. So I'm just going off the 1 hour time frame, just looking to clear the candles down. Yeah, so that's why I aimed like 730. Hey, morning, Dr. Ray. How are you? Imagine using GBP, JPY, IDC charts. Oh, why? Is it a mess? Let's see. What's wrong with it? Oh my god. Nothing opens and closes at the same place. What? How do you think entries like that? Holy. What is this nonsense? Oh my god. Okay, I see it. Go on 5 minutes. Oh shit. What is this? Holy. Oh my god. This is a rubbish chart. Don't even bother with it. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. I don't even think FXCM is that bad. Let's see. Yeah, it's not that bad. At least there's some kind of structure. Those were just like wicks. Oh my god. Let me see. Ew, that was a really ugly chart. Oh my god. What does IDC stand for? International. No, don't think it's this. International Data Casting Corp. Oh, they are not a broker. Okay. No wonder. International data confusion. Yeah, I think so. Oh my god, that was a disgusting chart. I don't care. ITC is I don't care. You just anyhow plotted the candles. It's like, okay, let's plot it here. Here. Oh my god, disgusting chart. Where is this? Did I take some cells? Yes. Yes, Tony, charts are always okay. Happy to view them. What? Above resistance. Stop loss below London Open. Okay, I think this was I think your entry was here. So stop loss below. Okay, Tony, can you help me by putting this green and red thing? Yeah, then at least I can see where your entry is. Might be a bit easier. And then if you want, you can just zoom out. Like I probably can see the entry. Just zoom out a little so I can see it. Waiting for support. Ooh, nice. Oh, you waited for that impulse entry. Okay, got it. Yep, I waited for the close, but you got in on the impulse. Noise. Got in on the previous 30-minute close? No. The 15. I took the 30 mic, not the 15. Because the 15, right, earlier when it closed, it was like tiny, like this. So I didn't enter it.
Good morning.
Hey, morning. Look at last week with previous big drop then recovers. I'm seeing higher lows in general. Not thinking it will spike up again to at least halfway of today's drop. I mean, my stop loss is above the 4-hour zone, so if it tests that area, if it breaks back up, right, then yeah, it has gone up. And I don't want to be in the trade anyway, Ashton. So, we'll see. To retest 100 before coming down more. So this was okay. So Ashton, this is just something that I have noticed. It's just a 30-minute support, right? That forms off a 4-hour zone. It's solid enough for me to take it. So that's why, like, even though it's pulling back now, I'm just chilling. Yeah, because you look at this, the pullback was deep. You look at this, the pullback was also deep. So I'm just chilling.
Yeah, it should fill the range.
Yeah. Plus, shoots, what did I want to say? Oh, plus if it's a 4-hour zone, technically price should want to come back and test it, but it should not break above the bodies based on what I have noticed. Because if you look again, one more evidence, this area here, same thing. 30-minute resistance. Look at the pullback on the next candle, deep till at least the body. So yeah, I'm just chilling. And there's lower volume now, so that's why I'm just waiting.
Are you in this cell?
Yes, I am.
Or... Yeah, I took it from where it's at right now.
On the 15?
On the 30.
Or when it pulled back, is it?
Yeah, I got it on the previous candle.
Ah, as an impulse entry.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it made sense, but it's not doing what it's supposed to do right now.
Yeah, because it's slower now. Because if you look at the candles, they are a bit smaller compared to here. So
Yeah, exactly.
you just gotta
Needs to
wait.
rest.
Yeah, it's resting. That's all.
Exactly.
Yeah. Because if you enter on a 30-minute, more solid confirmations, right? It should continue.
Yeah,
More
I mean,
likely to
as long as
continue.
it doesn't touch that 4-hour line of yours, then
Mm,
should
yeah,
be good.
correct. So if it's this area here, if we look left, 30-minute had some minor support here as well. So it should hold somewhere like this.
Mm.
Yeah. Rejected 200, we breaks through. Might be coming back to your 50 AM EMA, right, A-Rod? Rainman, you move your stop loss. I hope you didn't widen it. Or did you tighten it? Break above. Oh, we have the same zone. Yeah. 137.050. Yeah, you're waiting for a retest, so yeah. Ideally, I want this zone of yours to hold as well, to come down.
I don't know.
Hey. Oh, Rayman, why did you widen your stops? That's not a very good idea. Because stops are supposed to protect you, right? Yeah. Where did you put your original stops?
I took an early entry on this. I wasn't sure if maybe it was risky. What do you think? Like on the 15 when he broke the low of the bullish, I entered.
Broke the low of... Oh, this one here? This candle?
Yeah, yeah,
I don't... Yeah, so I don't really think it's risky. It's just that it's a 15-minute entry, that's all.
yeah.
Yeah.
I just saw the momentum and I thought, okay, it's worth doing it. It's in the direction.
Yeah.
But then it did sort of bounce back up and go really close to my TP.
Yes. Yes.
Stop loss.
Yeah.
But then when it gained momentum, it was like perfect.
Yeah, correct. So earlier we were also looking at this one, but I was like, okay, no, I'm just gonna, because my analysis is based on a 30-minute resistance forming off a 4-hour zone, so I just waited. Yeah, I wasn't gonna take the 15 because I've
30-minute
seen,
one.
yeah, because I've seen like more, sure, like there is a very deep pullback, but I've seen more success with 30-minute resistance at the zone than a 15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, but that being said, right, the stop is now bigger than yours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like one pip away from a stop.
Yeah, yeah. Even when I entered this one earlier, I was like, oh, it's really close. But I just went off the charts.
Yeah, I also entered on the 30 close.
Mm.
At the top.
Yeah, this one, right? Yeah, we've seen it so many times.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because it's the 4-hour always the counter. Oh, well, it's like a counter trend, but yeah.
Yeah.
With that 4 hour zone. Yeah, but I just got stopped out now anyway because I had stops at break even.
Mm.
But I'm liking the fact that I'm closing 85% rather than 75 like before.
Mm.
Because more of the stops, like the runners are being stopped out. So at least I'm getting 85% of my position.
Yeah. Would you be worried about the current 15-minute breaking the previous high? Then I'll give it to the hour close. Like, I'm just waiting for the hour to close, because the hour is still bearish. Yeah, but that's... I don't know whether your stop is that big. So that's me. I'm waiting for the hour. Because I know the pullback is deep. See? I already anticipated it. So I'm just waiting. I mean, if it stops me, then maybe like some of them were saying, the second retest is less likely. Yeah, but I'm just following the original analysis from the 30-minute resistance. Yeah, but if you're worried, just cut half first. As long as it doesn't make you more anxious. If the hour closes bearish, it should at least come back to retest the hour low. Yes. Yeah, really, if it hits my stop, then it's fine. But this, I don't look at the 5. Yeah. Like, if anyone is uncomfortable and you think it has broken, just trust your own analysis, then just take it.
Yeah, analysis and risk management, whatever you usually use. Yeah.
Yeah, because really, this is not profit. This is the, I'm in the red zone, man. Yeah. So I know, I understand where you're coming from, but I don't understand what you're seeing, and I don't look at the 5. So if it hits my stop, it hits my stop. But there's a reason why I put it above the 4-hour zone. So yeah. But then again, like what Rayman says, I'm waiting for the hour to close, right? So if it flips bullish, then I'll just cut the trade. Yeah. It's only that much I can do in terms of my risk management. But if I cut it and then it goes back down, then I will look like a fool because I didn't trust my analysis. Yeah. Because everyone's analysis is different.
This is where patience pays.
Yeah. Two more minutes. The screen is blurry, you can't see. EMD, try to refresh. Oh, look at it. Sandra, where do you enter? Like the same as mine? Does Raymond do mentoring? Who is Raymond? 136, 969. 136. 996. Where is it? 9. Ah, okay. Huh? You got stopped out. Ow. Where was your stop? Above this? Ah, okay, okay. Yeah, re-enter if it gives you confirmations. So let's see. 1 hour just closed. Yeah, I'm gonna stay in because the 1 hour is bearish. So anyone not comfortable, don't like the fact you had a deep retracement, manage your trades accordingly, yeah. Two minutes of GJ is a world of difference. Yeah, because I think it's an hour close, so that's why.
Looking good now.
Yeah, we'll see. Once it breaks below this own support, right, then it should continue. So we'll see.
Yeah, Eleanor, you didn't move your stop once the 30-minute close bullish?
No, it's
Okay.
everything is as it is.
Okay.
Yeah, because like for me, right, I know through like my own analysis and backtesting. If anyone wants to go and backtest it, please go ahead. Like the reason why I'm trusting my stop so much, even though the pullback here was really deep, is because I've seen it so many times. It's not just these areas, it's like in my own backtesting, I've seen it. So that's why even on this ones here, right? Like when I took the entry earlier, some people would have gone, why are you taking an entry? The 1 hour is bullish. Yeah, but it's just something I've seen so many times that I'm confident enough to place money on it. Yeah, but if it stops me, then so be it. Because that's just probabilities, right?
Yep. No, that looks great.
Yeah.
1 hour also closed bearish.
Yes.
So it should fill the wick at least.
Yes.
You see, we got clean space on the 1 hour.
Yeah, correct.
So,
Plus, on the 1 hour, this latest candle, look at how it tapped.
yep.
So it's like a lower high, and then this is lower lows. So
Yep.
just read it candle by
Pushing to a
candle.
lower low.
Yeah. The reason why we had like pullbacks like that as well, also because we all know that the volume is lower now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this zone should hold. If it breaks the last 30-minute high, would you expect it to hit your stop? This one here. Breaks above the last. Yes, Foy, it will. So if it breaks above this area here, right? So if you want to manage your trade, so right now, seeing that the 1 hour close bearish, and if those that are anxious, they want to tighten their stops, right? It should not come above this level. If it comes above this level, technically it's going to smash your stop. So yeah. So if anyone's like worried about that level, then just shift your stop loss here. Sunny, they have a sunny attitude. Failure to break 30-minute low and break 4-hour high will make me buy. Yeah, everyone has their own analysis. Just go with your own analysis. Yeah, Andres, don't chase it. So like even for Sandra, I don't think she's in. So she's waiting for proper entries to come down. So don't chase it. Sunny day, I don't have MAs on my chart, so it's not a relevant, like, it's not a relevant thing for me to take note. Just treating my zones. Roha, why did I confuse you? You trade a different strategy. Did I receive second chart? Tony, this one? No, not this. I don't think so. Don't like that the 30 and 1 hour close above 137. Yeah, that could also be the reason why it's just struggling a bit. But since I'm in, I'm just gonna trust my analysis. Nothing more I can do. Like I said, whoever's uncomfortable, just manage accordingly. Everyone has their own trade management style. Scarlet, I think if it goes back above, any closes above 137, 100, right, then oh my god, it's inside our nasty range again. Just waiting for another 30-minute bearish candle. Enter again if you see it. Yeah, maybe off the zone now. The grey one. How to confirm? daily high level. 4-hour daily high level. Oh, this one. Okay, okay. You just go to the 4-hour and then ta-da, it's all the pins. Yeah, so the daily high was, I just put it up because see the pins just kept pinning on the daily. Yeah, so those that are worried, it's breaking that resistance. So if you're worried, just cut your trade or cut half, right? Waiting to see if it breaks some levels before a clean buy or sell, but still it's Friday, the volume have been what it is. Yeah, correct. Just leaving it. I have short trade with GJ. My open is 822. Oh, that's so low. Oh my god. 822? 136822. Joanne. Joanne, I think I need to see your chart. My stop loss is very high. It is high because I took it on the 30. This was my entry candle. Joanne, if you're using Tradingview, just click the camera, copy the last part of the link. The instructions are on the YouTube description. Oh, you opened it a few days ago. Wow. You held it so long. Yeah, click the camera on the right side. And copy the end of the link. Just the end. I use 8 EMA on 5 minute as dynamic stop loss on strong trends. Oh, that's interesting. 8 on 5. Okay. Any ideas about the whereabouts of EJ? It pinned with support to the 1 hour zone. It's gonna hit 125 because it's clean on the left. Clean. So 125. But there's just no entries on it. This is just floating off nothing. That's why. I think GJ is going to range in this area for pre-New York. This whole area here, it's going to range. Yeah, this area here. So those who are in, manage accordingly through Raja's session. It's just gonna go up, down, like this. And yeah, we've seen it the last few days, so chill. 15-minute closed. Still at that zone, so I am just leaving it. It's been ranging for Raja this week, yeah. Tony, if you are in profits, have you secured for EG? How many trades I take each day? 3. What about a buy above your 4-hour zone if it gets there? Yeah, so for it, I will need a close with a candle like this. Booms into the zone. Then we take it on new support forming. But if I were you, personally, I would trade it near 9. Not any time before that. Your stop loss can put at open red candle here. No, Daniel. If I put it there, right? So, okay, so the idea is you want a zone. The idea is that price should not come and test the zone. Yeah. So if I put it at the body, right, price will come back and test around the zone. So do I trade Asian session? No. Why you take entry in that place? On GJ, on the left, GJ look like a mess, not clean. Pool, go up to the 1 hour. See? This area here. And I took it off the 30-minute resistance formed. Yeah. If the lower time frame is messy, just go up 1. Do I have a free community chat? Yes. FO, go on to the Discord link. If you remember, I recall you analyzed the trade up and it was a slow grind in this zone. Now it's doing the same thing to come down. Yes. Yeah. It's always this timing. So it is what it is. I'm just gonna wait. But anyone not in yet, please don't chase it. It's slow now. Hey Rod, if EJ like goes, right, it really just goes. But you know, yesterday when I traded EJ, right, oh, it was such a long wait for so little pips. Annoyed me. Between sessions, always grind and test, yeah. Ichimoku says sell. Oh, Tony, how many indicators do you have on your chart? Next thing you're gonna tell me the Bollinger Bands told you to sell, so. How many indicators, man? When this trade wins, there will be a big round of applause. Nah, it's just Ichimoku says sell as I say buy. Yeah. Every EMA says a different thing, I think. Yeah. There are always gonna be folks that complain, gripe, speak ill of a public trade. It is what it is, yes. I have understood that. I never forced anyone to take anything. This is just my analysis. Agree or disagree is your choice. It's just like I like to see other people's charts as well, because it just gives me another viewpoint. Maybe I missed something, you never know, right? So that's why I started this YouTube stream. It's not for anyone to slam each other, just for everyone to learn. No one is 100% right. If you're right, we'll all be millionaires. Let's have a look, Joanne. Oh, nice. Okay, let's see. Oh, this was a big stop. One. Are you planning to hold it till next week, Joanne? 135.8. Like is the entry based on like a higher time frame? Because Joanne, like this on the 15, right? It makes very little sense to me because this is a low. Then you sold at a low. So I'm thinking you might have entered on a higher time frame. So maybe you want to send me that instead. Because your TPs and your stop losses are like, it looks like daily levels. What's my thoughts on GJ? Yes, I'm in the position. I'm just holding it. It's gonna range. I know it's gonna range. I'm anticipating it to range. So I left everything as it is. I didn't even adjust my position. But I'm still in because 1 hour is still closing bearish. There's no reason for me not to still be in. Yeah. And it's also making lower highs. This one is still open, so we can't count its low. But these two are lower. So I'm just holding it. I have balls of steel. No, I don't. It's just analysis that once you've seen it so many times, you just trust and go. You cry. Don't cry. If you cry, Amanda will cry next to you.
Hopefully once the 15-minute low is broken, there's more confirmation.
Yep. I think the lesson learned is on this trade, right? If you're entering and you know that you're coming into a time frame where there's lower momentum, just chill. Don't freak out because you know there's lower volume. So all you need to do is just wait it out until there's volume coming in.
It's broken the low of the 15.
Where's the 15? Yeah. No top wick. So yeah. If this 30-minute closes, bearish, then resistance form, I might take a sell. 137. Yeah. Who is this? Your director, yes. But I'm gonna caution. The timing now is slow. So if you're gonna take this close, right, just watch for it. You want it to close, so your director, you want it to close below its own support on this 30-minute close, right? Pratik, try not to send me the links on Instagram because sometimes I don't look at it when I'm streaming. Yeah. So try to send it through Instagram. Try to YouTube, right? So if you look at your link, just copy this last part and then you can paste it on the chat. Oops. If the 30-minute closes strong bearish, you should go to the TP. Yeah. You manage risk if it closes above support, but I'm in when 50. Oh, you're in. Okay. When the 50-minute broke the low. Was it awful because you took a lot of impulse entries? Those that took impulse entries this week died. Like, so much. It was so terrible, the impulse entries this week. What's 30-minute close below zone, entered when this candle start moving bearish. Okay. Where's 3? Got stop loss, stop loss was small. Oh. There's no resistance that form. So Pratik, you need some resistance to form at the zone. Yeah. There wasn't resistance yet, I think. I would take sell when 1 hour close below this one, 36,932. That's a 1 hour chart. 136,932. Okay. Above this. Yeah, it's clean as well. So Puro. Same idea, is clean as well. I only take impulse entries off the 1 hour breaks. I don't think, however, I took any this week. Yeah. Impulse entries. How you stop overtrading? Go off the charts. How many have you taken today? And what's your number of trades per day, your director? I'm on trades. Are you in cell? I'm in my house. Oh my god, you are funny. I'm bored. Yeah, 30 minutes breaking its own support, so looks good. Mujahid. Yes, so this one. Okay, so the whole idea is just based on just observations. So go back and test this over the weekend. Again, 30-minute resistance off 4 hour zone. Booms. 30-minute resistance off 4 hour zone. Booms. Same thing again here. 30-minute resistance, 4 hour zone. Bye bye. I'm just waiting. Because it's slow now, so I'm just waiting. I took 2 small positions from phone and now I got insulted one. So I always want to have 2, but oh, okay. Start with not trading on your phone. Right, so analysis should never be done on the phone. Just throw your phone away. Am I not joining Raja's stream? I just leave it running in the background, but nah, I don't turn on my camera. So how do you control yourself? Do something else. Like for me, right? If I'm like, I have my iPad here, so sometimes I'm like reading. So sometimes you see me really quiet, like I'm just reading, or like I'm playing game. Just do something else, really. If there's no proper entries, don't take it. See the mouse, you choose to click it, right? So every time you click it, just think that there's money out the window, so don't click it. I'm in this trade doing some backtesting in the meantime as it's painful to watch. Oh yes, I like that. So, oh, I know your director. If you have software FX, go click on that. Yeah, just click. Just keep clicking on that. Don't click on the live chart. Yeah, higher time frame looks good, but 15-minute can't make up his mind. So Monica, stay off the 15. Look, I'm on the 30. Just, if it's gonna make you anxious, just don't look at it. Over trading can be done on any time frame. Yes, so true. Reading what? I am reading the compound effect now. Trading in the range risky. It's not in the range. My range is here. Ta-dang. But now, when I entered earlier, it wasn't ranging. Now it's ranging. If only I had enough money through the window. Sandra, where's your stop gonna be? Above here? Above the wicks? Yeah. No, I'm just checking. Double checking. I know how you trade. I know where you put your stop. Just checking. Just grab 10, yeah, because the bottom here is really messy, so just grab everything at 10. Let's just put some alarms and play. We should put the horns on. Pew pew pew. Oh, is Raja on? Like 6:30. Am I student of Raja? Yes. Do I trade like Raja? No. Only the entries are like Raja, I think. I think they are mates. Yeah, my management is different from Raja. So Sunny Day, I have a question about the MA. If it's lagging, right? Then how would you know if the support is like solid if it forms off the 200? Because the MA would be lagging price action, right? In what sense is your analysis different? Yeah, so my entries are very similar to Raja's. It's just my trade management is not similar to Raja at all. Raja would have cut this trade a long time ago. The moment this candle here flipped, it'd be out half here at this area here. Out half, and then when it closed like that, bye-bye, he's out of the trade. Yeah. And Raja would never take a 17 pip stop loss. Yeah. So I think the entry similar, the management is different. Yeah. Tight stop loss will kill your account. I think it depends because Raja only takes 10, right? So for him, he doesn't need a positive RR. He just grabs 10 and he goes. So even if he takes a 17 pip stop loss, he still almost always takes 10. Yeah, so yes, Raja will be out. See, those that follow Raja often enough, right, they know he would be out of this trade already. He will never be in this, especially not when it's chopping so long. So that's the difference.
I used the website you recommended yesterday.
Which one?
Cashback Forex.
Did you set it up?
I did it. Yeah, I sent it last night. So let's see how long it takes.
Yeah. If you don't see it after like 3 to 5 days, right, then just drop them an email. Just ask them what's the status, because sometimes they need to send your broker a chaser.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Because it'd be nice to get something back on the commission. When I look at the
Yeah.
commission column, it's
Yeah.
quite high.
Yeah. It's better than nothing, right?
100%. Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't bother with the monthly thing. I just thought if they can reduce my commission, then it's good.
Is yours on like a daily, on a reduction, or do they just pay out at the end of the day?
I have no idea. Oh, like it takes an instant commission from per trade.
Oh, so it's instant reduction. Who's your broker?
I see.
Ooh. Oh, raw, right? Raw spread,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So this one just spread out commission reduction. Ah, okay, okay. Because mine is Pepperstone, so they just collate everything at the end of the day, then they give it back to me.
Which one did you go for? Which option?
Mine is the Edge Razor. So I went for the daily to broker account. So it goes into my MetaTrader.
Oh, okay. So I don't know if I have that
Yeah,
option.
yeah. I think
That,
different brokers have a different setup.
got
Yeah,
you.
on IC you have the reduction
Yeah.
or the monthly payment
Cash. Yeah, oops.
through PayPal.
Yeah. Is there a charge on that? I think so, right?
Sorry?
I think there's a charge on the PayPal withdrawal.
No. I mean, how they send you back? They send it back to you,
Oh,
but to the PayPal account you want.
okay.
Just give them your PayPal account, and then every month they'll send it to you.
So they don't charge for it?
To be honest, I don't really use PayPal and like it. I don't know.
Yeah, the fees, the commission they charge is high, very high.
I know there's something that they charge. I think it was a bank transfer. But that one's like right? Any bank transfer is always chargeable. Yeah, I forgot
Even
which one it
nowadays,
was.
I don't know if the companies in Europe, I think they are.
Mm-hmm.
They shouldn't charge. Like I think that the last time I look at that, they asked me like $10
Mm-hmm.
for the bank transfer.
Yeah.
All right, take care. I'm done for today anyway. I'm not joining Rogers.
Yeah. Stay off, stay off.
Yeah, I've taken a few trades already, so I'm done.
Yeah. Enjoy your weekend.
Take care, you too.
Bye-bye.
Take care, bye.
Actually, I think his trading style is best because you don't need to sit back on the PC all day. Just pre-New York, that's it. It's a preference. Yeah. What do people think about IG Forex Broker? I don't know. Anyone with IG? Feel free to chime in. Did I have any problem with Pepperstone while they were under hackers attack last month? I knew about it. They told me about it. No issues. They were very on the ball. They were updating me almost every week. But no issues. Future way not taking a trade is not a problem. There is no trade yet. What is cashback forex? Tomer, it just gives you back a portion of your commissions. Oh, you're using Pepperstone. Yeah, then just go set it up, right? So just go, if you want to help me out, you can click the links through my IG bio. If not, then you can just go through their website. Because if you're using Pepperstone like me, I think you're on the Edge Razor, right? So you can choose. So once you click get cashback, they will ask you for your broker's account. So if you want it paid to the broker account, you just give you a percentage of your commissions. So example, like 8Tracer, this is the percentage that they'll just refund at the end of the trading day. Yeah, it's just like a cash. It's just a rebate, that's it. But it doesn't affect your spread, it doesn't affect your commissions. Everything stays the same. How they earn, I don't know.
Yeah, they take a cut.
They probably take from the broker, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So as long as it's not from my pocket, I don't care. Yeah. Go get your money back, Toma. Where can I find my link? Here. If you go to my Instagram, right? Under my profile. Then just click this thing. Then cashback. Click this one. They just give you free money. I don't think they give you free money, they just give you back your money. Yeah. So GJ has not changed in trend, it's just ranging. This is not a change in trend. I think Ovender is so mad. I think you can use Ovender on Tradingview, right? I used to use Ovender, then that was like my favorite feature. If you can use it on Tradingview. Do I know if Raja is streaming today? Probably. Thank you, Toma. Yeah, Ovender and Tradingview are linked, correct. Because I used to trade off Tradingview. It was nice, but their spreads were not nice. To me, in Asia, the Ovender spreads are disgusting. Raja's late today. Is he? Yeah. The Ovender US accounts have much better spreads. The Asian accounts don't. Is Raja in Zoom? I'm checking. I don't think so, you're not the guys who have told me. This exact same setup happened yesterday. You trade. If you trade supply and demand strategy, this is going up. Yeah, every different strategy will tell you different things. So that's why we don't bounce from one strategy to another, if not you'll be very confused. Let me check on Raja. Oh, Raja's really not on yet. Interesting. Introduction broker, meaning brokers give commissions to those who introduce them to new customers. So if you put them as your referrer, they give some commission they get to you. Yeah, but this one is like for cashback, right? The account can already be open and you still can link it. So I really don't know how they earn. If my account is already open, then I'm not an introducer. You're on sales, I'm on sales as well. Yes, Lucas, let's get it. It's gonna range, so just chill with it. See, even the 30 minutes just printing side by side, so that's when we know it's a range.
You guys know Raja's on, right?
He is? Where? Where's the link?
Yeah, but like he's in the gulag, but like he didn't send a link.
Did you stalk him, AJ?
No, like I got a message from YouTube because I'm subscribed.
Oh, okay.
Or no, this is
So
old. Never mind.
He's live.
This is old. Yeah, never mind. This is old.
Yeah, Raja usually gives the Zoom first.
Yeah, I
Even if
was
the YouTube
surprised.
is delayed, right? The Zoom will always come first. Oh, he's typing. Morning Slack. Boom, Zoom link.
Now he's gonna be like, no Zoom today.
Oh,
I am busy.
oh, I am having family day.
Yeah.
Body took an extra deep nap. Yeah, Raja's Zoom is up.
Alright, see you guys.
Alright, see you. Toma. Oh shoots, man. How did I check mine? Oh. Tomo, I really don't know. Do you have an account manager at Pepperstone? Oh no. Being from Israel doesn't help. Shoots. Let me see. Let me check. Toma, I'm checking. Give me a while. I forgot how I checked mine. Raja just came on. Chill, guys. Let me open up Zoom first, okay? Hang on. My god. You Gulag guys need to chill, man. He's on. Don't worry. Let me see if I can set it up first. He just took an extra long nap. It's like panic attack when Raja is late.
That went pretty loud, pretty
Yeah,
fast.
yeah.
All of a sudden, it felt like I was in the gulag over here. Someone kept shouting, "Mute us, Raja! Mute us! Don't let us be on the mic." Oh wow, gold is back. Gold is heading back up over here. Interesting. Okay, just gotta make sure that this high does not break on GJ.
Raja's not on YouTube yet, right, guys? Yeah, I'm just a filler before he starts. Okay, have fun with the stream then. Give a like, thank you. He's on, alright.
All right, let's take a look at GJ at this point over here. Seems like GBY is just not good. Struggling a lot at this point over here. Let's do some fresh analysis. So looking at GBGPY, doing a fresh analysis, let's take a look at the weekly here. So weekly did eventually go bullish, just like how we anticipated.
Yeah, Toma, did you manage to find it was ASIC? Oh, he's not on. I thought he's on. Oops, I just turned down the volume. My bad.
Monday was the only day when price actually moved up from right over here. You know, from here, price moved up to fill the weekly wick, and then it was just like series of ups and downs, and now it's just stuck in the range. So let's take a look on the daily here. Daily is rejecting a resistance up here at 137, 137.400, 137.300. That's a big resistance there. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. 4 hours creating. So basically, we had this liquidity zone. This liquidity zone is now this is a rejection zone, right? Because notice how many times price came up towards 137.400. Like we came up here back on the 5th October, then again in 6th October before London Open. We came up here at, yesterday at London Open. We came here again on the 9th. I mean, like here this morning too at London Open, right? So probably this is a very important area which is being rejected. So if you drop down to the 1 hour time frame, let's see what more information we can find over here. So 1 hour, basically, I think what's happening here on the 1 hour is that maybe this was a resistance, right? This was a resistance. Price broke up in pre-London. This had to continue going up. So now this candle had to do a retest to continue up, but it dropped back down. So if it dropped back down, looking on the 30-minute time frame, we're creating a support and we're creating a resistance right over here. Beautiful. Beautiful. And what we got over here is this range, 12 pip range. So GPJPY is stuck in a 12 pip range. Honestly, since it's Friday over here, I'm not going to be looking at any trades. Like if a trade comes out and just really stands out, I might be executing on it. But for the most part, since it's a Friday, I might just going to be like, hey, let's just stay cool, stay quiet. Because the worst thing you can do on a Friday is just lose your weekly profits, right? Especially when this week has been pretty hard. The week has been pretty slow, honestly. And this is where people are going to lose money because, since they had a slow week, they didn't make many gains here. Like I had a slow week this week too. So it doesn't mean I'm going to spend Friday trying to chase a trade, trying to look for a trade, trying to overtrade. No. Gold is also approaching a very strong, it's actually trying to come above this area. Let's take a look here.